Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to pay within the app from the Upside app. So if you want to pay from the app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. And for those of you wondering what is an Upside is a cashback app that allows users to earn rewards on the purchase at gas stations, grocery stores and even at restaurants. Now if you want to pay directly from the Upside app, you just need to open the Upside app on device and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, you may simply log in by choosing the option from here. So the thing is that the Upside app does not process payments directly. You can pay at the store using your usual payment method, that is the debit or the credit card, and then claim cashback through the app. Now you may pay the certain amount on the store itself and you may get cashback from the app. So you may simply tap on the available offer and activate before making a purchase, and you need to check in or upload a receipt depending on the location where you are from. And after that you need to simply pay as usual by using a debit or credit card at the store itself, and make sure that your card also matches what you have linked in the app. So after that you just need to verify your purchase and you'll be able to receive the cashback on your Upside app. So that's it. That's how you can directly pay from the app on Upside app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.